Hello everybody, this is Mubashir here, and today I want to introduce my agency, Quantum Media Agency. What kind of service we provide? We actually provide a YouTube video SEO and website SEO or digital marketing like Facebook ad, Google ad, and that's it. How we work for SEO? Let's see. First of all, we saw a channel like this is my YouTube channel, and let's see what's the wrong of this channel. I think he is 1.7679k subscriber, and what is the wrong of the channel? Let's see. His SEO is 41.1 out of 100. What is the wrong of his SEO? He used tag only one ranked tag, and video performance is very low. That's why his video is not ranked. Let's see what tag he used. He used malpoa, til pitha, shit pitha, gramer pitha, mati chula ranna, poa pitha, etc. But no tag is ranked, and the title is very long. Tag too short. Therefore, indie skin at no indie skin. Comment, no pinned comment, and he not share a video in Facebook feed. That's why the YouTube video is not ranked. How we can find our client for YouTube? SEO means search engine optimization. So SEO is work for if you search anything, where you search YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or Google. When you search anything, it's ranked in your homepage. It's mean YouTube SEO. How we can find our client? We find our client in so many ways. First of all, we find our client using YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media. But today we learn how to find client using YouTube. So let's go see something. Saw some YouTube channel. We come here in my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, Mubashir199, and my agency YouTube channel name is Quantum Media Agency. This is the new channel for my agency. And let's go how we can find our client. We find our client using, let's search real estate business in UK. Real estate business in UK. Now we can show that there are many channels in this, but you find a channel, his subscriber is very low, like 1k or 2k subscriber. If you don't find any channel, please go down, and I think found it. Like this channel, top 5 UK property. So let's show what kind of video he make. He make a real estate video, but now how we send a message for her? We want to work for a SEO for his her YouTube channel. First of all, we click here for link. If here any social media link, go here and message, and don't have any social media link, click here and view the address, email address. Click here and submit. This is her email address. Copy the email address and paste here. And if you have no idea how to write an email for your client, so use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is very helpful for this time. Hi, YouTube SEO. Okay. If you want short email to text, give me more short. Then you can search, copy here and paste here. Quick update on YouTube SEO. Write the subject, paste here, and I think this is the more better. Trust this email find while I wanted to. You have to add some keyword or something. If you want to add keywords, add some keyword, and if you don't want, copy the email and paste it and send the email. If you want to add the channel interface, you want to add, but right now I don't want to add the same channel interface. Channel interface means the SEO is situation of his channel. Let's see what is the position of his channel. He posted a video in 1 year ago. Let's see what's the. He have no SEO on his channel. No ranked tag, no tags, nothing. He no tag. I think he is the perfect client in our. So let's send an email. I think the mail is sent. Yes, the mail is sent. Let's wait some minute, and if she give a feedback answer, you reply, and if she want a service, you provide the service, and if she not need the service, you try another man to provide the service. What we charge? We charge a 7 video SEO for $25, and if she need a 1 month base service, and then he or she paid a $300. That's it. I think if anyone here to work with us, please contact, and I try to do something. Thank you for staying with us. See you soon for next video.